Hi friends, welcome to Tech Touch channel. Today I am going to show you in this video how to enable nudity protection in Instagram. So before start the video, please subscribe my channel for more latest video. First of all, open your Instagram, then press on your profile icon, press on three lines. In this you can see here, in this you can select message and story replies. Now you can see here nudity protection. Open this option, then press on enable. You can see here, turn on nudity protection technology on your device. Blur photos in chats if nudity is detected. You can turn it off anytime. Then press on turn on. That's it guys. So in this way you turn on nudity protection in Instagram. Thanks for watching friends. Hope like this video. If you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel.